Welcome to your midday sports. We begin with news on cricket. Jamaica Scorpions captain, Jamaica Scorpions captain and West Indies batter John Campbell will have another wait to hear the decision against his 4-year drug ban after his appeal at the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS was once again delayed. The 30-year-old, through his legal team of Ayanna Thomas and Paul Mark Cowan, was advised today that they will have to wait until January 18 of next year to hear the outcome of the ruling. Campbell's legal team had argued for up to a 3-year reduction based on an overall assessment of the sanction provision and the mitigating factors in the case. Campbell has already served the first year of his 4-year ban, which was handed down by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Independent Disciplinary Panel in October 2022 for a charge of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection. TVJ Sports could not get a comment from Campbell's legal team up to sports time. Faced with an uphill task of saving the third and final unofficial test against South Africa A, the West Indies A closed the day 3 at 47 for 1, chasing an improbable 421 for victory in Bloemfontein. They need another 374 runs to win or survive 98 overs on Friday's final day. Jamaican Kurt McKenzie is 26 not out with 2 4s and 2 6s, while Test opener Tagenarine Chanderpaul is on 11th. Zachary McCaskey made 8. Resuming the day at 104 for 3, the home team declared their second innings at 272 for 5, with Zubair Hamza stroking 110 not out and Rhonda Short an unbeaten 86. Guyanese pacer Shamar Joseph bagged his second first-class 5-wicket haul, grabbing 5 for 76 to end with 8 wickets in the match. Scores in the game: South Africa A 274 all out and 272 for 5 declared. West Indies A 126 and 47 for 1. The finals of the ISA Urban and Rural Area Senior and Junior Netball competitions will be played today at the Leela Robinson Courts. Champions Glenmuir High and Homewood Technical will do battle in the Under-19 final at 3 p.m. Meanwhile, Homewood Technical can lift both rural area titles. They'll face Manchester High in the Junior League decider at 1 p.m. The junior final in the urban competition pits former winners Queen's School against Woolmer's Girls at 2 p.m. At 4 p.m, it's defending senior champions St. Catherine High against former winners Gainsted High. Cavalier FC went down 2-0 to SV Robin Hood of Suriname in the second leg or final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup on Wednesday night at the National Stadium to lose the two-way tie 3-0 on aggregate. Player of the match Franklin Sigodi Cromo in the 89th minute and captain Jamelia Ritgers in time added secured the dramatic win for the Surinamese club in a game in which Cavalier ended with 10 players. The Jamaican club had trailed 1-0 from the first leg final last week in Suriname. Cavaliers' Shanil Thomas was sent off in the 55th minute for a second bookable offence. Incidentally, Thomas also collected the award for being the top goal scorer in the competition. And finally, Santos fans have set cars and buses ablaze on the streets after the famous Brazilian club was relegated from the top flight for the first time in their 111-year history. The club, made famous by Pelé, suffered a 2-1 home loss to Fortaleza in the final round of Brazil's Serie A on Wednesday night. Defeat saw Santos finishing the season 17th on 43 points, with the club ending in the 4th and final relegation spot. Santos had begun the final round of matches in 15th place, but dropped into the relegation places after Vasco da Gama and Bahia won on the final day. Vasco da Gama earned a late 2-1 win over Bragantino, while Bahia recorded a surprise 4-1 victory against title-chasing Atlético Mineiro. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.